Hey everybody, Neil with Atomic Fusion. Wanted to create a quick tutorial on how to use the new theme that I just dropped into Atomic Fusion that the great Thimo has allowed me to distribute through Atomic Fusion. If you guys don't know Thimo, you need to follow him on Twitter. He is a fantastic designer, plugin builder. He's most notably known for his Apex Charts.js plugin, which this theme here that we're distributing with his consent is based around that plugin and uses it for graphs and charts and things like that, fully responsive to. So anyways, with that being said, let me go through it so you know how to use it real quick, and you can grab it from Atomic Fusion and put it in your projects. So open up Atomic Fusion, and it looks like I was already there, and then browse. So when you open it up, browse to Themes, Apex Analytics Dashboard. Here it is right here. I'm gonna break it out into components like cards and the chart and different things where you can just grab individual elements, but right now I just have the base page. So you can go into that, and you can preview it to kind of see what you're getting and what it looks like. As you can see, it looks beautiful. He did a fantastic job on this. So after you preview it, put in some new sections here. I've got to fill it out for the other themes, but I just created this to accommodate this new theme by Thimo. So be sure you start reading the plugin requirements, because a lot of these themes do require plugins. This does require Thimo's Apex Charts.js, which I have a link down here. And then there's also a requirement for hero icons. You don't have to use the hero icons. You could change it out for a different icon package like Ionic Elements or just the traditional fonts package that Bubble supplies you by default. But it looks really good with it, so I just grab it. The Apex Charts, it is a charge for that plugin. I think it's $160, but it is by far the best plugin package out there for creating charts and graphs and things for dashboards, just because he's done so much to it to where you can customize colors and so much on it. It's just an amazing plugin. So it's well worth the $160 one-time spent fee for it. So I highly recommend you grab it if you build a lot of projects or you do a lot of dashboards for clients or something like that. If you happen to be an agency or a freelancer, I would just do it. I would just drop it and get it because it's so robust on how it can handle data. And then I haven't put it in here yet. I need to add it, but the Atomic Fusion data plugin, you can. It's not required to get it, but if you go get it, it'll help you when you copy and paste from Atomic Fusion into your canvas to maintain the data structure, so you can look at it and then change out the data for your own data in your database, or if you use a different backend API queries. All the Atomic Fusion data plugin does is make API queries to my Xano backend database, so it maintains the structure, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So anyways, you can go follow Thimo right here. He's the author. But if you're ready to use it, you can just copy it and paste, and it's going to ask you to create a new page. So it is a full page. So just create the new page. And then again, if you don't have the Atomic Fusion mock data plugin right here, this Atomic Fusion plugin, it's going to throw probably about 80 errors because it's looking for dynamic data in these charts. So if you go get that, you'll get a clean copy and paste, and then you can go in and you can look at the, oops, sorry about that. You can go in and look at the queries and then change those queries to your own in your database. See here, it's making API calls to the Atomic Fusion database. So I recommend you get it. It's $10. I wanted to make it free, but I'm charging for it just because I am going to add a ton of different data sets to it, and it does take time and money to maintain it. So I had to put a little bit of a cost on it. But you can also use the Atomic Data plugin outside of Atomic Fusion for your other projects, just to stage up data. So there's not many data sets in there now, but I'm going to be adding a ton of different types of data sets that you can leverage to stage data in your own products. So yeah, that's kind of it. So once you create the page, you can go in and start editing and customizing it to your own stuff, or just use it as a learning thing on how to use his plugin. So yeah, it looks great. It's fantastic. Again, requires his plugin and doesn't require my plugin, but it would help you tremendously to have it. And then the Hero Icons plugin. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks to Thimo for putting this out there and letting us distribute it. And I hope you guys get some use out of it.